Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a product in ClickFunnels. From the options at the left, let's click on products right here, and let's click on all products. From here, you can see a create product option at the top right. So click on that, and you're going to select the type of your product, digital, physical, or a bundle. I'm going to click on digital right here. Digital products include courses, ebooks, and software. For the product name, just type in the name for your digital product as well as the description, because customers will also see the product description and will help them understand what they are purchasing. Once you have typed in your details, just click on create product at the bottom. And for the price type, you will also be able to select a specific one-time subscription or a payment plan. I'm just going to click on one time and set it at $7 and you can also update the price later. You just click on set price once you have set it, and from here you can select images to go with your product. I'm just gonna click on this one, and they also have stock images within it, so you can select from here. For example, I'm gonna search for workout, and I'm gonna select this one and click on select image at the bottom right. And for the pricing, you can also add price for the inventory and shipping and put your SKU. For the purchase actions, since I have a digital product, I'm going to click on this digital asset access and click on the plus icon in line with it and click on OK. And let's click on new digital asset, and I'm going to name it as the same. And for example, you can upload a file of your PDF or your video or any digital product you have. For example, I'm going to add in a PDF to show the gym routine digital product. After you have done that, just click on create file. And it should now be listed under the digital asset deliverable. So you can click on the check beside it to have it shown and click on save at the bottom right. Click on OK at the top. And let's scroll down again. And as you can see, we have our digital product attached. For the variants, you can also configure if your product has multiple options like different sizes or colors. For the SEO and sharing, this is for the search engine. And you can also share this product to other users. Once you have set everything up, just click on update product at the bottom right. And once we go back to the page, you should be able to see your product right here. Now I currently have it hidden because I have not added my payment method, so I cannot really publish it onto my ClickFunnel. But once you have set up your payments, you should be able to add a product and have it shown on your page or store. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.